Oh boy!
What the heck is going on?
Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever been in your bathroom, trying to put lotion on your face, getting ready for your productive day as an outdoor salesman, and your children throw their toys at you? Has this ever happened to you? Have you been a young woman standing next to a man trying to put lotion on his face, getting ready for his day as an outdoor salesman, and you get hit in the face with a platter? Has this ever happened to you? You've been a young man trying to get ready for a day, but a boy puts a doctor mask on your face while you're trying to get ready for work. Has this ever happened to you? Has a man put a sticker on you, I guess? Has a man ever poured gasoline on you in your bedroom, set you on fire while you were trying to get ready for work? Has a woman ever put out the fire on your body with Silly String? If so, you should apply to Western Washington University.